实际，实际，实际。
Actual. Reality.
Actual. Reality.
我不同意他的看法，这太不符合实际了。我不同意他的看法，这太不符合实际了。我不同意他的看法，这太不符合实际了。
I don't agree with him, it's too unrealistic.
I don't agree with him, it's too unrealistic.
我们制定的目标必须符合实际，才能实现。我们制定的目标必须符合实际，才能实现。我们制定的目标必须符合实际，才能实现。
The goals we set must be realistic in order to be achieved.
The goals we set must be realistic in order to be achieved.
实际上，正确的做法应该是先计划，再执行。实际上，正确的做法应该是先计划，再执行。实际上，正确的做法应该是先计划，再执行。
In fact, the correct approach should be to plan first and then execute.
In fact, the correct approach should be to plan first and then execute.
实际上，要完成这项工程需要3年的时间。实际上，要完成这项工程需要3年的时间。实际上，要完成这项工程需要3年的时间。
In fact, it will take 3 years to complete the project.
In fact, it will take 3 years to complete the project.
考虑，考虑，考虑。
Consider.
Consider.
这个沙发的质量不错，您可以考虑一下。这个沙发的质量不错，您可以考虑一下。这个沙发的质量不错，您可以考虑一下。
The quality of this sofa is good, you can consider it.
The quality of this sofa is good, you can consider it.
无论从哪方面来说，他的看法都值得考虑。无论从哪方面来说，他的看法都值得考虑。无论从哪方面来说，他的看法都值得考虑。
In any case, his views are worth considering.
In any case, his views are worth considering.
我们必须考虑使用哪种正确的方法来解决问题。我们必须考虑使用哪种正确的方法来解决问题。我们必须考虑使用哪种正确的方法来解决问题。
We have to consider which is the right approach to use to solve the problem.
We have to consider which is the right approach to use to solve the problem.
标准，标准，标准。
Standard.
Standard.
这个标准并不适合所有人。这个标准并不适合所有人。这个标准并不适合所有人。
This standard is not suitable for everyone.
This standard is not suitable for everyone.
生产部门根据这个标准衡量产品质量。生产部门根据这个标准衡量产品质量。生产部门根据这个标准衡量产品质量。
The production department measures product quality against this standard.
The production department measures product quality against this standard.
他的普通话非常标准。他的普通话非常标准。他的普通话非常标准。
His Mandarin is very standard.
His Mandarin is very standard.
样子，样子，样子。
Look. Appearance.
Look. Appearance.
他们幸福的样子令人羡慕。他们幸福的样子令人羡慕。他们幸福的样子令人羡慕。
Their happiness is enviable.
Their happiness is enviable.
这些衣服样子是现在最流行的。这些衣服样子是现在最流行的。这些衣服样子是现在最流行的。
These clothes are the most popular right now.
These clothes are the most popular right now.
这个地方已经变了，不再是以前的样子了。这个地方已经变了，不再是以前的样子了。这个地方已经变了，不再是以前的样子了。
This place has changed and is no longer what it used to be.
This place has changed and is no longer what it used to be.
年龄，年龄，年龄。
Age.
Age.
请把您的姓名、年龄、性别、联系电话都写在这张表格上。请把您的姓名、年龄、性别、联系电话都写在这张表格上。请把您的姓名、年龄、性别、联系电话都写在这张表格上。
Please write your name, age, gender, and contact number on this form.
Please write your name, age, gender, and contact number on this form.
这件衣服的颜色太鲜艳，不适合年龄大的人穿。这件衣服的颜色太鲜艳，不适合年龄大的人穿。这件衣服的颜色太鲜艳，不适合年龄大的人穿。
The color of this dress is too bright and not suitable for older people.
The color of this dress is too bright and not suitable for older people.
年龄越大，身体状况就越差。年龄越大，身体状况就越差。年龄越大，身体状况就越差。
The older you get, the worse your physical condition becomes.
The older you get, the worse your physical condition becomes.
随着年龄的增长，心血管疾病越来越常见。随着年龄的增长，心血管疾病越来越常见。随着年龄的增长，心血管疾病越来越常见。
As we age, cardiovascular disease becomes more common.
As we age, cardiovascular disease becomes more common.
浪费，浪费，浪费。
Waste.
Waste.
买到便宜的东西，但是又不适合自己，也是一种浪费。买到便宜的东西，但是又不适合自己，也是一种浪费。买到便宜的东西，但是又不适合自己，也是一种浪费。
Buying something cheap but not suitable for you is also a waste.
Buying something cheap but not suitable for you is also a waste.
不当的膳食计划和购买过多的食物会导致浪费。不当的膳食计划和购买过多的食物会导致浪费。不当的膳食计划和购买过多的食物会导致浪费。
Improper meal planning and buying too much food can lead to waste.
Improper meal planning and buying too much food can lead to waste.
别浪费时间了，赶快把工作完成吧。别浪费时间了，赶快把工作完成吧。别浪费时间了，赶快把工作完成吧。
Don't waste time, get the job done quickly.
Don't waste time, get the job done quickly.
谢谢观看。